What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Pitt Race closing down and losing spots to ride. I mean, man, I saw the news this week. I'm not at all involved in Pitt Race. I've never actually ridden there. I was trying to get there. I was trying to schedule it to ride this year, but I've never actually gotten to ride the course. I'm super disappointed about that. That it's closing now, and I never got to actually ride it and experience it, because I heard that there was a lot of investment and it was a really nice course. So I'm pretty bummed about that. And you know, I feel like this is happening to a lot of things in a lot of places where riders are losing space. I hear discussion, at least. I'm not sure that anything's actually happened, but I hear discussion about losing some public lands out west, of them selling them to developers. It sounds like this current Pitt Race thing is all about being sold to a developer. So I guess they're gonna build houses or build, you know, like, I don't know, I don't know if it's residential or commercial or what. It's gonna be retail shops, but it just kind of stinks to me. Man, this is all new. This used to be woods. We'll have to see what's back here. There's no gates or anything, so this is, I presume, fair game. But yeah, I just, like, man, like, even all this, like, this all used to be nice trails to ride. I mean, a gravel road is okay, but in my opinion, I'd far rather ride a dirt road or a dirt trail through the woods rather than this. And how they've clear cut all this, so it's pretty wild. But so for this year, I was trying to ride Pitt Race. I'd thrown it out as an idea to my brother, who actually lives up in Pittsburgh, because I was like, I'd come up see you, and we could go ride. And I think this is where we turn around. Just construction vehicles. And I had been wanting to go up. I've been wanting to go up to you know, see my brother, spend time with him, and be able to stay with him and go ride Pitt Race. But he ended up having twins this year, and so he just got swamped. He's got no time for that. So I was like, all right, well, I'll do VIR, like North Course and South Course this year instead of Pitt Race, and then we'll do Pitt Race next year. Was kind of what I had in mind. And it's interesting that I made a video recently talking about getting out and doing this stuff before, like, summer ends, before fall ends, you know, and being in the winter with no nice riding memories to get you through for the things you did in the summer. And it's exactly that problem now, where it's like, oh man, I would love to go experience Pitt Race. And one of the most disappointing things I gotta say about the way that they did this announcement and closed it was they announced it right at the end of this season. There's only, I think, one more motorcycle event there, N2 has a track day there, like this coming weekend, but like, giving me 1 week notice just isn't enough. I already had plans and things. I think I have a wedding I'm supposed to be at, but anyway, like, it just stinks that it's like, man, it's gonna close, and who knows, maybe it's sold out already. But I was just kind of disappointed with, like, hearing the way that it closed, and they're just selling it to a developer, and it's like, man, like, are they just gonna bulldoze it? Like, are they just gonna demolish that? I could understand if they were gonna turn into one of those, like, racetrack communities, because I hear them trying to do some of those kind of things where it's sort of like, you know, a golf club community or a country club, but they're basically doing it with, like, a racetrack in it instead of a golf course. And I actually think that's pretty cool, but I don't know. I don't think so. I think what I saw was, like, it's a developer. It's probably going to bulldoze it, which really stinks, to not get to experience it. So that's why, you know, if you love something and you don't want to lose it, you just got to own it. Make sure no one can take it from you. It'd be very cool to own a racetrack one day, but I'm very far from being able to afford that. But even things like this, like where I love to come here and just practice my wheelies in the back, and it's getting so crowded. Like, look, we got people just walking around the building exercising. We got, like, tons of cars back here all the time now. It's just like not the same thing at all, and it really kind of stinks. I mean, I'm happy for the business that's like they got people here now and whatnot, but it stinks to lose all these great riding spots. It stinks to lose Pitt Race and this and just everything all together. So, very disappointing. Gotta make sure she's not like a Karen with her phone on or something trying to record me. She's chill, she's leaving me alone, she's cool. Not a Karen. And if I come here a little bit later after this parking lot's just gonna be completely full of people. I think my back tires are just completely flat. I think my back tire's giving up.